season to this. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to see some today's. I feel tired. Let me see.
Taking forever.
You like where I got it?
Look like I'm looking at your.
Oh, I'm good.
Yo.
All right, now I'm hot.
Oh, it's the heated seat. You want a straw?
Oh yeah.
I guess yes. One straw. Thank you.
It's just easy to mix everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
That's why you want the straw.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason.
What is the other reason I want a straw? Bro, take a quick bite. I gotta see it.
You gotta make a mess.
I said take a bite. I didn't say take the whole thing.
I'm supposed to grab it out of the. Oh, I'm gonna eat it in the bag.
Yeah, you can take a little piece off.
Oh, my window's open.
Go ahead. Whoa, wait. Huh?
You're cleaning my truck.
I ain't cleaning shit, Peggy. Go ahead. What? Damn.
Whatever. No, that was good. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We don't really have much going on. Probably gonna clean up the shop and move this toolbox over there. Take that out. We don't even need that anymore because we just got this toolbox and then we just kind of got stuff all over the place. So we're probably just gonna clean up, start the bikes up. It's been cold, so hopefully they start the first time, but let's get to it. Hey, got some toolies. Got some toolies. Some toolies. Some toolies. Some toolies. No big deal. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I almost busted my booty. The fuck is he doing? Hey! Get to Hassan! Get to Hassan.
I gotta break the ice so I can open this door.
You out of breathy?
It's just a pain in the ass.
Alright, give me a sec, I'll help you out. Stipe. About to unveil a real bike. Just stop. No. Get off. Alright, well, I'll be back. Talk to me nice. Just kidding. Let me go help Lefty out. Alright, so I'm about to pull the bikes out and start them up. It's cold. Look at this guy working. Who is this guy? What?
What's happening?
So basically we're gonna take Lefty's bike out for a ride because for some reason it wasn't switching into gears when we try to start it. So we're gonna see if everything's all right. I'm recording. All the gears felt good?
Yeah. I don't know what that was. Probably just need to be moved a bit.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Making neighbors all upset.
I don't care.
That TBR sound crazy.
I kind of like, you know, after having all these different exhausts, man, it's just like, fuck it. It doesn't even matter. Just some of these TBR exhausts and Bassani exhausts are stupid loud. My bike never, it popped. It used to pop like that, but that was a serious pop. That thing is
ride this thing, dude. Oh my god.
You literally could.
It's too cold. Yo, after that little ride we just did on this. No. Oh, I gotta tighten my tank. When I took it out for paint, I didn't tighten it enough.
Why did yours? That's yours?
That's mine. Don't touch my coffee. So for next video, we're probably gonna take my dad's bike, bring it to the shop. I guess it doesn't want to start. So it's like the 2006 or 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1100. So yeah, we're gonna try to change the starter clutch out, see if that's the issue. If not, then he need to find someone else to do it. All right, so we're about to take a ride to AutoZone, then to Home Depot, get an extension cord, and then where else did you say we're gonna go? Oh, to get a battery for my key fob.
Safety first.
I got a Trojan on you.
What are those for?
It's for Franklin.
Oh yeah. I got a special thing for him.
I need a haircut, yo. I need a new barber.
Let me edge you up.
Ew.
I'll do it with these.
Your barber's trash. I
Let
don't
me.
know what you're talking about.
I'll edge you up real nice like this. Like.
We're over here, about to get some sockets. Some sockets. Some sockets. And if you see anything else that we need, put on Johnny's tab.
Just on his tab?
It's on his tab. Get it all. I be looking at myself like this when I gotta be like this. Not like this, but like this. Anyways, yeah, we left AutoZone and didn't have anything that we needed except for the extension cord. So now we don't have to go to Home Depot.
Extension cord.
Yeah,
we honestly don't need to go to Home Depot.
So now we're gonna go to Target to find a battery for my key fob. Just got out of Target and found the batteries we need for my key fob. So what I did was use a flathead. Get in the little crevices. Come on, focus. Right there. Boom. Before there was just a long delay, like it couldn't read the fob.
So we finished up cleaning up the garage, got everything reorganized. Honestly, it looks a lot better. Josh's new toolbox, pretty sweet. It has a lot of cool tools in it, a lot of tools that we may need in the near future. You know, slowly but surely everything's coming together, which I'm super proud of. I know starting off it takes a while to get everything and whatnot, but we have some things in the work, some newer things coming into the shop, so definitely stay tuned for more. Hey, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, we love feedback, any feedback, good feedback, bad feedback, whatever you guys think, you know, we may need to work on or things you guys want to see, definitely write that in the comments. We'll always write back to every single comment. We appreciate it. Yeah, stay tuned.